from MyStyleSpot. Now, plant-based diets are finally starting to catch on, and I'm so excited because they are so much healthier, it's so much better to the planet, and of course to the animals as well. I have been vegetarian for the last 10 years. My New Year's resolution this year was to finally make the switch and become vegan. And I can tell you it's kind of a struggle. I mean, that's why it's taken me 10 years to even drop animal products, even though I haven't been eating meat for the last decade. So what can you do, right? I mean, it can be tough when you're eating out. It can be even tough when you're eating at home. It can be tough grocery shopping, knowing what to get. So I'm going to share with you like something that's worked really amazingly for me and is also really great for the holiday season. I think you're going to love it. And I also have a $30 off coupon for your first order, so you may want to stay tuned to the end of the video for that. And it is PurpleCarrot. PurpleCarrot is a fun, creative, plant-based meal kit, and it can be sent to you each week or however often you'd like, with as many meals as you like. I have absolutely loved it. It is so great, so easy to use. It plans the meals for me, which I like because I struggle with meal planning. I feel like I run into the same things, I'm cooking the same things, I'm bored, or I'm just at a loss of what to eat and can't think of something to make. So then I end up eating like a TV dinner or something ridiculous like that and processed and not great for me. So I really love that it kind of just takes that out for you. It's really great for the busy mom, anyone that's on the go, if you don't have time to cook, you don't have time to meal prep, all of that. You're gonna love PurpleCarrot because they send you the meals and they give you all of the pre-measured ingredients to go with it. Like you only have to add like maybe salt and pepper or a little bit of olive oil, and that's seriously it. Everything else is in the kit, so really amazing, really super easy to do as well.
So when your meal kit arrives from PurpleCarrot, you're going to find the recipe book right on top with all the recipes and directions, and then you're going to find all of the ingredients pre-packaged, each meal packaged together so you can see what goes with what, and yummy fresh ingredients that have been kept cool in the travel, and has everything you need to go ahead and start cooking your yummy meals, your yummy 100% plant-based meals tonight and this week. So super easy.
It's great for both vegans and non-vegans. It's just a healthier lifestyle, and it's gonna give you great options, I promise. When I went vegetarian, like there are so many foods I didn't even realize was out there, and then I started finding them, and I love that this PurpleCarrot does this for you. It's gonna send some awesome ingredients I promise you've probably never tried but are gonna love. And it's just gonna open up the horizon of different foods out there that are healthy to eat and great substitutes for maybe the not so healthy foods that a lot of us tend to eat.
So here I'm cooking the yummy roasted delicates squash recipe with farro salad and cashew tonata. I love that this is a great holiday option with the squash. And farro is actually a grain I've never tried before, so I found this really exciting and I found it really yummy and just an awesome meal to cook for a normal evening night.
All meals are 100% plant-based. You can also get extras with PurpleCarrot, like breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It doesn't just have to be dinner. You can get a lot of tons of extras. If you want everything planned out for your whole week, you can absolutely do that.
PurpleCarrot also offers 2 or 6 serving plans, so you can get 2 unique plant-based dinners that serve 6 each week.
I love it. It's really great for the holidays because they have really great fall meals right now, like squash and some other things that I'd never thought of that I really love trying. So you can get that really awesome holiday spin on your cooking as well, especially if you tend to struggle like I do with knowing what to cook for holidays, especially if you are doing plant-based. It is so easy and quick and hassle-free, you guys. I love it. It makes it so incredibly easy to eat healthy, and if you do want to make that switch to veganism like me, it also makes it really easy to do that for you as well. Then it's just going to be up to making smart decisions when you're eating out. But eating at home, it makes it so simple. I love it because it saves on time for grocery shopping. I don't have to grocery shop. I can just have everything I sent right to my door. I don't have to worry about food in my fridge going bad because it always makes me feel like kind of ill when I have to throw out food. But with these pre-planned meals that come with all the measured out ingredients, you hardly have anything extra if you do, and you don't have to worry about wasting food, which is awesome. It really helps those of us who struggle with meal planning like me. That is one of my favorite things about it, and the fact that it's 100% plant-based. And it's a lot of good food that I've never tried and I'm just absolutely loving. I love the variety. I love something new every night, something exciting. And it's actually been fun for me to cook as well. And I'm not huge into cooking, but I've really enjoyed cooking these meals and seeing what goes into these great plant-based options out there for healthier eating. I love that you get creative, delicious, meat-free, healthy holiday options with PurpleCarrot as well. So super easy. I've really enjoyed it the last week. I've had a breakfast, 3 dinners with it, and it's just been really great. The food is so yummy. It's been easy to prepare as well. It's great even for the cook that doesn't have a lot of experience. You don't need a lot of extra tools either. It's pretty basic cooking as far as your level of being a good cook or not. I'm not the greatest cook. I don't have a lot of experience, but it's been really easy for me and I've really enjoyed that. I love that the meals have been pre-planned. I can just come home, hurry and pull out one of my bags from PurpleCarrot and start making the 100% plant-based meal right there on my table in 30 to 40 minutes. So if you would like to try PurpleCarrot, try them today. You get $30 off with my code StyleSpot. You can visit them at purplecarrot.com, see my link below. And I hope you guys love it as much as I do. You can skip or cancel at any time. You make it super easy to pick what works best for you and your family, how many meals you would like sent each week, how often. And it's just really easy to customize it exactly the way you want, which is also what I really love about PurpleCarrot. And with the holidays coming up, it makes a really great gift too. Do you have a vegan on your list or someone that's wanting to eat healthier or 100% plant-based diet? Someone who's maybe struggling with that, or maybe just someone who doesn't really have the time to cook and grocery shop and would love some healthy options and some yummy dinners. This is a great gift for that person on your list for sure. So be sure to check them out, you guys, purplecarrot.com. Again, see my link below. Use my code StyleSpot, get $30 off your first order. And thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them. I'd love to answer any questions you might have about PurpleCarrot or eating vegan or whatever it is. Just put it down below. I'd love to answer it. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for free weekly content. Thank you so much for watching.